Number 1. Refined Nail Scissor. Check the description for price. Pros: its curved shape helps to trim hard nails, if taken care of properly, can last for years, perfect choice for all types of cuts, strong, resistant, and durable. Cons: this scissors are thick and short, blades may be rust resistant but the pin is not. Number 2. Refined Cuticle Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: hard, carbon steel blades to keep a sharp edge, the harmless perfectly precise cuts, easy to hold and work with, salon-like experience at home. Cons: a lot smaller than description, not easy to use for cuticles. Number 3. Best Nail Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: cutting, fining, edging of finger and toenails easily, high-quality stainless steel and leather products, liked the price of scissors and they are easy to use, basic nails accessories. Cons: they should include more products in this basic set, very difficult to cut nails and always way too short. Number 4. Best Nail Scissors Cuticle Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: strongest material used to make these sharp and curvy scissors, all-rounder nail perfectionist scissors, nail trimming and cuticles done with one tool, perfect for trimming short hair of the body. Cons: it would be great if they introduce it in other colors, they should include more products in this basic set. Number 5. Montblanc Nail Scissors Sharpened in Solagen. Check the description for price. Pros: high-quality product manufactured by Montblanc, light-weighted and easy to carry, perfect for trimming and cuticles, made to stay a lifetime. Cons: should be able to use for multi-purpose, they should include more products in this basic set. Number 6. Refined 2 Nail Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: heaven for thick and curved toenail problems, the perfect tool for toenail problems, reaches to corners you never imagined, easy to carry and handy to use. Cons: should come with some other toenail tools, should be able to use for multi-purpose. Number 7. LIVINGO Premium Manicure Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: multi-purpose blade, curved tip design, durable rust-resistant, mirror finish. Cons: a bit pricey when it comes to international shipping, these blades are too heavy for fingernails. Number 8. Manicure Nail and Cuticle Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: high-quality product manufactured by Montblanc, perfect for trimming short hair of the body, a must-have for everyone, healthiest option. Cons: scissors looks good, but have huge design flow, the issue is that the screw does not hold them together. Number 9. Ruby's Classic Stainless Steel Nail Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: ergonomically designed by experts, perfect for trimming short hair of the body, sharp and durable, easy to clean. Cons: no hair defies the Ruby's tweezers, can be a bit tricky while using at home. Number 10. CGBE Cuticle Scissors. Check the description for price. Pros: strong positive like for these scissors, used for facial and trim hair, very sharp and accurate, easy to clean. Cons: no hair defies the Ruby's tweezers, can be a bit tricky while using at home. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.